How to turn on half swipe on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn on half swipe on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to turn on half swipe on Snapchat, you don't have to turn it on because half swipe is already turned on. You just have to know how to use it. And first of all, let's get started with what is half swiping. So you open Snapchat, you come to the DMs page, you want to see a message someone has sent you, but without opening the chat like this, so that the other person won't know that you've read the message or something like that. So to do this, normally if you swipe right just randomly, it's going to open Snap Map, right? So that's not really fruitful. So there are two things you have to consider here. Listen very carefully. On the left hand side you have all the profile pictures, right? And on the right hand side you have the profile names. Bottom line is that if you swipe right from a profile name, it's just going to open Snap Map and do nothing else, so you're not going to be able to see the messages. But if someone sent you a message, you want to half swipe and then read the message without opening the chat fully, you have to actually swipe right from the profile picture, and then you should be able to see the messages all the way till you can. Now you don't want to release your this finger over here, you want to simply get it back after reading the messages. Now you can just get it all the way to as much end as you can over here. If it is a picture, whatever they have sent you, just read it and get it back. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to do this, because if you do this, then it's all over. They're going to know that you've read the messages because now you are on the chat page. So swipe right from the profile picture, not from the profile name. Swipe right like this, read the messages and get it back to its original position. This way you can turn on half swipe on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.